Welcome to RS Components and our video series showing you a selection of products from our Legionella temperature monitoring range. In this video we're going to take a look at the RS Pro CLEGK1 Legionella temperature monitoring kit. That's product code 2195349. This kit comprises of a digital handheld thermometer with integral 1 and 2 minute timers and a K-type thermocouple dual surface and immersion probe. The handheld thermometer is manufactured to IP67. The meaning of that rating is displayed on your screen now. But it also comes with a pre-fitted rubber boot as standard for extra protection against damage, for instance when in storage or in transit. The dual probe has a stem length of 110mm with the stem tip being 10mm in diameter. The ribbon band thermocouple sensor has been sealed with a silicone rubber compound to ensure that the probe is fully waterproof and able to be used for both surface and immersion readings. This probe is fitted with a 1 meter straight polyurethane cable with a moulded connector. To take a surface temperature reading, plug your probe in and, applying light pressure, press the sensor band against the area to be tested. The response time of this probe is approximately 3 seconds. When performing water or immersion temperature tests, the timer buttons on the handheld's keypad will come into their own. The one timer button is for the 1 minute hot water countdown. Press this and the display will show H1.00 and will automatically start counting down. Press the button again and the timer will disappear. The 2 timer button is for the 2 minute cold water countdown. Press this and the display will show C2.00 and again the automatic countdown will start. Press once more and the timer will disappear. That concludes our look at the RS Pro CLEGK1 Legionella temperature monitoring kit, product code 2195349. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.